So this is a complicated question, okay? I believe in free trade and free market, okay? So everybody is free to go. But for the clients, for the users, for the payers, actually, right now, solar business is in chaos. The technology which is supposed to bring us solution becomes a headache. The demand is so high, the prices are increasing. That's why, everybody should be double, thinking about what to purchase, okay? Unfortunately, the prices of the solar panels, which is imported from South Africa or China, you know, there are even used solar panels, okay, which is, just dismounted from the solar PV plants, power plants, and, imported here, and they are just selling it, okay? Even for those panels, they are increasing the prices, okay, because, the demand, the importers cannot, meet the demand right now. Some and a high volume of those are used solar panels. I can tell you. Imagine this, okay? And you are paying, you are just saving for your future, and the load sheddings are happening, and you are just buying buying something that you don't know, okay? And it cannot serve you for even 5 years, okay? Like this, my first recommendation: don't buy used solar panels, okay? The second issue, don't buy solar panels with a small label, which even doesn't show the electrical parameters. A good solar panel is, always showing openly, transparently the values of the operation, okay? Don't buy solar panels with excessive damage, okay? They are even offering, the correct solar panels, okay, so that you can save some. No, it is not saving, it is the fire, okay? Some even sells I told you, the broken solar panels in 1000 kwacha, okay, which is ridiculous. And the only aim is of those is making money. That's all. Consider the rainy season, excessive temperatures, etc. Don't buy cracked panels, and always ask for if that is an A grade or B grade or C grade panel, okay? Because most of the things I have been seeing in town is C grade, C module, okay? It is just written on it, C module on the frame maybe, okay? You will just be careful about it. We think that it doesn't matter, but it matters. It is because, the flow of the current is important for the solar panels, okay? Why it is C modules? Because, the wafering process, I mean the manufacturing of the silicon, okay, the solar cells, when it is with some faults, it is C quality, okay? When it has some small minor faults, it is B quality. When it is the utility grade solar panel, it is grade A, okay, which is exported to Europe, okay? Zambia deserves European quality for the solar or anything that we buy from here, okay? Make sure that your installer knows how to read the labels. This is another, another point, because this is a technical business, and people has to read the parameters, specifications, and user manuals, okay? Because there are lots of inverters in the town, in the market, okay? And everybody is importing under different names. And one Chinese company, for example, marketing 10 or 20 different designs for the market, okay? So we should be careful about the reliable importers also, okay? Make sure that if somebody does the installation but doesn't configure the inverter for battery type, that is not good, okay? If somebody does the connection of the solar panels but doesn't measure the output of the solar panels, that's a problem, okay? This is all knowledge and information business, scientific business, engineering business, over engineered design business, okay? Let me tell you something. For example, when you are using 3 kilowatts inverter in your home, okay, and you only just go with 3 pieces, 400 or 435 watts of panels, that means 1305 volts, okay? If you use, if you are using one deep freezer, one fridge, one TV, and lighting, for example, and power sockets, for example, okay, that means that your 4 batteries, 100 ampere hour, or 25.6 100 ampere hour, 2 lithium sets, will be asking for 40 amps of charging current. That is 1000 watts or over 100 and 1100 watts of charging power, okay? That is a huge power, okay? This is why, in the daytime and, in excessive heat, the PV cables on the rooftop are just 4 cent, okay? We should be careful about the, sizing. We should be careful about the, the cable cross sections.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for that information. I still have one more question, but I can see that we have run out of time.
Oh.
So much to learn in these new times that we are living in. Yeah, but it looks like more of us are going solar, yes?
Solar is good, green,
Solar is green,
eco-friendly.
yes.
Yes, carbon free, carbon zero.
There we
But
go.
yes, when it is carbon zero, we should also consider about the dangers and the quality of life of us. Okay, I always recommend proper installation through engineering for the new users.
Mm.
So so that you will, and the people are just making some mistakes like buying the inverter from shop A, buying the solar panels from shop B, but they don't know, and the user, I mean the seller always also doesn't know about the characteristics of the solar panel, for example. This is not good, okay?
Mm.
So as a complete system from trustable companies, they can buy and they can just enjoy the solar power in the daytime from solar panels, in the nighttime and after sunset from the batteries.
All right.
Yes.
Well, Mr. Serkan Sahan, thank you so much for coming through and
Thank you.